is Ari, and I am co-founder and head of product at Actorio. Today we're going to take a quick tour of the Actorio user interface and see how we find and source products that we can sell with a profit on Amazon. So we have some search boxes here, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to leave everything empty. I'm just going to choose one of my suppliers and do a search. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down a little bit. The first thing I look at is the images. I see that the image on Amazon is the same as the image on the supplier image and that the titles match. Good, this seems like a good product. I can see that the product costs me 30 euros, and I can see the price in each and every marketplace in Europe. I can see the unit profit, so exactly how much money I would be making, and how many sales I have per month. Though this a priori looks like a good product, I can see that if I sell it on Amazon, I can get up to 165 sales per month